Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to use ClickUp for Agile Project Management. So here I am in my ClickUp homepage, and ClickUp is a very useful application so that you can manage workspaces and all of its information according to your personal life or in business. So starting here, we can create a workspace from scratch, but that will take a lot of time. So what we can do instead is that we can use workspaces that has templates. So from here, from the spaces option right here, we will click the plus button that says create space, and then we will click on use templates. So from here, you can just search for Agile Project Management in the search bar. So I already have it right here, and then we will use this template that says Agile Project Management. So click on this, click on use template, and then you can insert a name for your workspace. And then for the import options, you can choose to import everything, or you can customize the specific items that you want to import. But in my case, I want to import everything. And then for the dates, you can import them as it is, or change the dates according to your own preference. And then we have the option to include archive tasks. We have the no option. We have the yes, include archive tasks. And we have yes, include and unarchived tasks. So it just depends on what you want to use. But I will just click on no and then click on use template. So we will wait for this to be created. So here is the activity log. And here is the Agile Project Management workspace. And as you can see, it is still pending. So we will wait for this to be a success. Now, the workspace has been successfully created. We have the Agile Project Management workspace right here. And then we have different lists. We have the getting started list. So it has this different information right here. So it has get started with ClickUp. So you can read the information right here so that you will know how to use this Agile Project Management workspace. So you can just click on the specific task so that you can learn how to use this template. And then you can check for the other lists. We have the Agile ceremonies. So as you can see, it has sprint review, and then you have the meeting objective. So you can just edit the information right here according to your own preferences. We have attachments right here that is already created. So instead of creating from scratch, this template helps a lot because you have all of the important information that you need to have in an Agile Project Management workspace. You have the sprint planning, the daily stand-up, and then retrospective. And then for the sprint review. And then for the backlog, if you need to keep track of your backlog items, you have it right here. And then for the Kanban board, so that all your team members know what tasks that they need to do. And then we have this one, the document for the setting up sprints. So you can read this document right here so that you will learn more about how to use this Agile Project Management workspace. And then that's it. That is how we use ClickUp for Agile Project Management. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.